Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using the Well Done bundle, and this is a sweet little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using the Well Done bundle for this week's cards, and we're going to be using this sentiment, "My love for you is bigger than the ocean." And I have the Well of a Time 6x6 Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I'm going to come in with Pacific Point. And then I have our sentiment mounted on clear block G. And I'm just going to put it right here in the top left-hand corner, just like that. This is a super simple card. That is all the stamping that we are doing. So we can start putting this card together. Now, on the back of this paper, there's this well, and with the well punch, we are able to punch that out perfectly. So just like that. And now you can also stamp it too, but I thought this would be cute for quick and simple. Okay, so I'm gonna get my silicone sheet and my Stampin' Seal. And then our matte piece is Pacific Point, and that is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So just like that. All right, and our card base is Balmy Blue, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. All right, so just like that, I am going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals and pop our little well friend here. And I think I just want them kind of right there. Next, I'm going to come in with the Holiday Rhinestone Jewels. Excuse me. And I think I'm going to use these bigger ones here. And then a small one up there. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!